Welcome, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning, or good evening for some of you. How's it going? How's it going? Welcome back. Sorry about yesterday. I really had to leave, but today I will be here for the regular schedule. So what's going on? Corbis here. Good morning. Hello there. Attila the Hun. Hello. Good morning, Yodagat. Hello there. Jamming to tunes. Let's go. Yeah, I'm the DJ. Exactly. Dave Mack. Hello there. Cheezerd. Hello. Oh my gosh. You have a plan? Oh my gosh. Call out sick for the next 2 days. Actually, not even a bad idea. Actually, that's a great idea. Curry Fishbowl, hello there. Good morning. Loving Nature Guy, welcome back. Boom Banana in the flash entering the building. What's up, everybody? Oh my gosh, we're almost at 9,100 subs. What is going on? Thank you. Thank you so much for all the new subs, everyone. It's great to see that we're moving higher. Amazing. Amazingly good job. All right. So, as of now, what do we have? We got to talk about some levels. What chart is that? This is micro Nasdaq. You see it right here on the down right corner, always. MNQ. And the 5-minute time frame. The MNQ1, so this one exclamation mark is only because TradingView puts the newest contract on the front, but anyway, it's NQ, micro Nasdaq current. No, that's TradingView. Sorry, that's TradingView. This is TradingView here. I'm not using well charts. Ali, hello there. Everything is great. Everything is okay. Yesterday was a bit of a family emergency. But now I'm here. Everything is good. Everything is good. So let's see what's happening. Let's see what's happening on the chart, right? So kind of a rangy session ever since Asia open, right? Like, yeah, actually not that much. Not that much. We got to zoom in a little bit to see what's going on. I think we can put the Asia low down there. How about that? I think this could be a good Asia low down there at 264. And as for Asia high, not much. There's nothing I would call Asia high here. Even if this was it, it has been tagged. So, you know. Okay, there is a possible shift here. I might even be interested to take a short on this one. Let's look which account would be good for this short. I'm actually really looking for a possible short here. Imagine that. Asia low would be good. Risk to reward ratio 1 to 2. How about with 2 micros, everyone? That would be great. Yeah, let's try it. Why not, you know? Okay, let's see. Entry. I jumped in. This is the probe trade that I usually take. So 32. I think we can go with the stop is 365. I don't know. Could be a tricky one. 365, nothing there. Can still go up there. Okay, we'll see. I actually was eyeballing with these levels down there just to see if there's going to be a sweep of liquidity, which there was. So I'm still kind of hoping that actually 364.50. 364.50 and 270. Okay. All right, that's good. But it's not looking good now. I don't know why. Anyway, I took it. All right, here it is. And we'll see how it goes. So I want to see a drop. I'm not, no, there's no FOMO here, actually. There's no FOMO. Actually, I was looking for a possible shift as soon as I see one to the downside. So I did have my justification for it. One is a liquidity sweep here. Even if it goes higher, I still have some room for it. So one liquidity sweep here, a market structure shift here, and I have also a fair value gap here. So everything is present, even if it goes higher. So the same thing on the 4 minute, on the 3 minute, but if it goes higher to sweep some more, I'm all the way good until 64. Actually, there's a fair value gap up there on the 3 minute, but just kind of hope that it will not go up there. 5 minute has it also at 55. We might go up there to 55 here. You know, some continuation here. Quite possible. Maybe I will kill it then. You're long on NQ. I think you're right. By the way, Loving Nature guy, I think you're right. We have a 5 minute gap right up there. I might kill the trade. How could I miss this? 5 minutes CB. Right there. All right, I'm killing the trade. I'm gonna wait. All right, kill the trade. Let's wait a little bit more. I think it's gonna go up there to that CB, and then maybe we will go from there. Yeah, it's just a tiny bit of a loss, not a big deal. Yeah, the stop loss placement wasn't that bad, but I just feel like, you know, now that we're after the 2 a.m. session, it might just gonna push a little bit higher. So I'm gonna wait for a better entry. It's like 20 something dollars, almost 30. Nothing. So let's just wait for a better entry. Yeah, let's look at gold. Okay, there is a level on gold, by the way, which is a zone at 5196.2. $51.96.2. Might just go down there. Look at that. 1 to 1, 1 to 1. Yeah, good. It's a 5 minute level. Actually not. I take that back. Yeah, I take it back. There's no zone there. Sorry. That's not a zone. Okay. What is down here? Okay, there is one on the 3 minute though. This is valid. This is a 3 minute. I just woke up. I just woke up. It's hard. Okay, 5181.5. That's valid though. That is valid, in my opinion. I think that is valid. 51.83. Can it go down there? 51.83. I think it can. Stop should be around 52.15.3. Okay, I took a short on gold as well. Oh yeah, look at that. Now it's going lower. I mean, sorry, higher. So NQ does going for that liquidity pocket there on that 5 minute. On that 5 minute level. It is going for it. I only have this gold short, which doesn't look so good. He scared me. Loving nature guy scared me. Yeah. But anyway, yeah, NQ is seemingly going for that 5 minute CB up there. I will look for a better entry once it got tagged on NQ. Hopefully I'll get something better. We'll see. But that's all. Whew. Just hit the hourly fair value. Get which one? Gold or... Oh yeah, this one hit it. Yeah, this one hit it. NQ did hit that. Well, in this case, in order to get a possible short, yeah, we need to invert a fair value gap here. So we need to close below that to try to short this one. Otherwise, I think it's just going to go for that 355 now. Yeah, we could be reversing back up there. I mean, we do have a new day opening gap still, right? So we still have the gap up there. This is why I'm curious how it's gonna, what it's gonna do here. And it seems like gold is not doing what I wanted it to do. What a crazy start of the morning. So I'm going to be waiting for this fair value gap up there. And then, no. Relative equal lows. Asia low is practically, let's see, the low of this is 264.75. And the low here is exactly, okay. So relative equal lows here. Would be great to see that Asia low. Oh, that would be really good. Not my favorite type of target, but it would make sense. That's why I'm curious what it's going to do on that 5-minute CB there. Let's go. We are at 131 viewers and 28 likes. Can we push it to 50? I know we can do it. Let's get to 50 likes, everybody. Let's get it there. All bouncing off the Michal, hello, good morning. Buying doesn't seem strong, likely go lower. Oh yeah, I hope that gold will go lower. I do hope so. Even though it looks like it wants to go higher. Yeah, that would be good actually. A bit of a dump. I don't really want to see gold pushing too much up there, but it seems like that's what it wants to do. Unfortunately for me. Maybe gold can actually turn around and turn to be a bullish scenario after all. Gold is so tricky. It is. It is so tricky, by the way. But I will try one thing. I have something I might want to try on gold. It's a little bit risky, by the way. But maybe I will do it. I just want to see how much time. Okay, that's nothing. Okay. So maybe, just maybe, I will add to the short position. How about that? That would be absolutely mental, right? Buy every dip on gold, yeah. Could be the good idea. So NQ still hasn't been up there. Still kind of waiting. Actually, you know what? What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna lower my stop loss on gold because I don't like the whole situation here. I want to get out. Usually I shouldn't do that, but Who knows? Do we have any news, by the way, this morning? Not much in the European session. Okay, Lagarde is going to speak in about 70 minutes. But that's all. And unemployment claims at 8:30. So that's going to be the kicker, if we can say that for today. All right. What can we expect from MNQ? Well, from NQ, I love to see the price taking this gap, and then I want to see it go down. If it's going to continue higher, I don't think I'm going to do anything with that. Good morning, Ashu Kumar. Hello, RX. What's up? I think 350 is a short and covers its supply zone. Could be. Could be. I'm going to wait for the reaction here in this CB. So let's see what it does with this CB here. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a bold move here. A very crazy move. I'm going to lower my stop. Because I just don't believe in this gold trade anymore. I'm sorry, I'm just not a believer anymore in this trade. Kind of curious, like, is it gonna break that level or not? Okay, what I can do, that's much better. All right, now it's better. Because if it's not dropping, then, you know, what else to do? Then I don't care anyway. Okay, we hit the 5-minute gap on NQ. We hit the 5-minute CB there. Good morning, Junior Madhu. Hello there. Welcome. What's up? It's you, Junior. I know. I'm glad to see you. MSG UFO, impulse, flush, reclaim, compression, expansion, attempt, post earning, NQ. Oh my gosh, I wish I would knew what that means. Impulse, flush, reclaim, compression, expansion, attempt. I gotta look this up. Hold on. I gotta look this up. I gotta look this up. Impulse, flush, reclaim, compression, expansion. Okay, in the context of post-earning, the impulse, flush, reclaim, compression, expansion sequence is a structured price action model traders use to frame continuation steps after a catalyst. Here's how typically it plays out. Impulse, catalyst move, what it is. A strong direction move immediately after earnings. We had that, all right, something like that. Wide range candles, aggressive delta imbalance, high volume, break of pre-market or prior day range. Did we have that? Institutions establish directional intent. Flush, which is a liquidity sweep. A sharp counter move against impulse. Okay. Okay. Purpose. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Please explain to me is as if I were a 5-year-old child, so I can understand. Okay, let's keep it. Big fast run. Imagine a kid. Okay, that's too much to read. Okay, please explain it to me as if I were a 4-year-old child or a chihuahua, and please make it short because I'm stupid. Okay. All right. Zoom. Price runs fast in one way. I like that. Like the dog sees a squirrel. Okay, now I like this. Okay, then wait. Price runs back to the other way. Dog gets confused, like what is going on? Oh, squirrel again. Price turns back the first way. Dogs run again. Wiggle, wiggle. Price moves small and tight. Dog crunches, ready to pounce. Okay, zoom again. Price explodes fast. Dog full of speed, no stopping. I don't understand. I'm sorry. I don't understand. Please explain it to me in one sentence, like I'm a 3-year-old child. Okay. Price runs fast, gets scared, and runs back a little. Then remembers where it... Oh, you guys don't see it. Then remembers where it was going and runs that way even faster. Oh, okay. Now I get it. Now I get it. Okay. Price runs fast, gets scared, and runs back a little. Then remembers where it was going and it runs that way even faster. This is it. Okay, now I understand. Now I understand. This is okay, this is the way I understand things. Okay. Price goes fast, then it gets scared, goes back, then remembers, oh, hold on. I was going the other way originally. So let's get to the same direction. I need to make it clear. I'm sorry. I was just in the mood. Yeah, the giveaway is going to be tomorrow, guys. It's going to be super amazing. Take Profit Trader giveaway on Friday, because I told you guys on Friday and Monday there's going to be giveaways. Crazy traders. I know, MSGUFO. Lots of crazy traders here, including myself in the front line. Junior, good to see you, by the way. Talk about in-depth analysis. Yeah. Coast to coast. Another way you can ask to explain it is layman terms. Oh, yeah. Yeah, the giveaway is going to be again tomorrow. Today, no giveaway. Friday is going to be the giveaway. 2 Take Profit Trader 50K test accounts are going to be given away tomorrow, and MyFundedFutures accounts on Monday. So, yeah, we're going to have a crazy stream. Oh, they write that stuff in books. Oh, I never read books, MSGUFO. I never read. Andrew Tate said, if you're reading books, then you are an idiot moron. That's what he said. And I think Andrew Tate is a really smart guy. I think he's super smart. And he said, you know, if you read books, then you're basically doomed. So if Andrew Tate says something like that, I mean, I just can't read any more books. I mean, you know. Sorry, I just have a morning like this. Maybe I didn't sleep too much. I don't know. But if Andrew Tate said it, he said it, by the way. Literally, that's what he said. That is what he said. Like, guys, if any of you guys are reading books, then you are a complete idiot, stupid, and you're just making your life much harder than it has to be, or something like that. And I'm like, okay, then let's not read books. TradeC, I didn't try it, Fizzlet. I didn't try TradeC yet. So, but I will look into it. I will look into that. He's so alpha that makes him so smart. Yeah. Every day is a chessboard with the game. It's what banksters do to MMA. Can't mess with him. Bad for your health. Oh yeah. So I did read that he was having a fight with someone and he got beat because the judges were, anyway, something like that. That's all I had. Nvidia result, I don't know. I don't know. Let's check the Nvidia results. Let's check Bloomberg. Oh yeah, I forgot I'm not subscribed. Nvidia, I canceled my subscription. Nvidia investors give tepid reaction to upbeat forecast. So what does that mean? The company is still contending with fears that a run-up in AI spending isn't sustainable, which the CEO argues are misplaced. Okay, so basically, the CEO has a different opinion than the board. Nvidia earnings news. By the way, I do like this reaction here. I like to see a drop here. So I might gonna take a trade on NQ as well. This is the chance, everyone. This is the chance. So I took it. 264. Buy limit, and I'm going to use a very tight stop. 370. Ah, that's good. Buy limit. Okay, I jumped into the sell on NQ. 2 micros only. And I'm kind of hoping, because we tagged that level, that this time we could see a possible meltdown, hopefully. If not, then obviously it's the waiting game again. SKI. Nvidia earnings was good. Let's check it. Nvidia earnings news. Tech stock. Nvidia stock rises into earnings as options market. Okay, that's old news. Or is it not? Okay, that's old news. Okay. Oh, this is also okay. Nvidia blowout earnings are met with a shrug. Reported earnings on Wednesday afternoon. The company vastly exceeded expectations with its guidance. Okay, so exceeded expectations. Good news. So why is NQ not going much higher, all the way up to the moon? Type L in the chat if you're selling. So some referral fee for your Apex this month, but oh, thank you so much, Zach Romancer. Thank you so much for the support. I appreciate that. Thank you, and everybody else as well. Thank you for the support. I do appreciate it. Gold is still here, still, you know, hovering in this trade. And I'm kind of waiting for NQ. Good morning, Kwong. Hello. Yeah, we'll look into that more. I mean, I was just reading the news. But yeah, at the market open, it might just go into skyrocket. Yeah, but it could have skyrocketed as well in the Asia session. You know, there was electronic trading hours or not? There was no. Oh, there was no trading. Okay, there might have not been. You join me on the short. It's a very tricky short. You know, it's a very tricky one because you can still just grind higher into the gap. So if this is going to get taken out at the 70s, I'm just not going to do anything with NQ. I'm just going to have to wait. So this is why it's like a very low risk trade-ish thing. Bankster stole all the money. Yeah, I guess they did. Good morning, Olisha. Hello there, disciplined futures trader. What's up? Good morning, Bravo. Hello. Oh, so that's what's happening. Nvidia already priced in, maybe? Could be. I don't like this consolidation. I wanted to see a fairly quick drop after this, you know, 1 minute displacement down there by hitting that gap. I really don't like this. Too much time is spending here in consolidation. It's just telling me that this is going to fail and this swing high is going to fail and this is just going to keep going higher. $351. Yeah, could be. That could be a good choice, better choice than mine. Look at that. We also have a liquidity void there. Oh my gosh, both on the mini and the micro. It's not looking good, guys. I might have to close this one too with a very small. I mean, this is just gonna break the high. Very bad trade now that I'm looking at it from a different angle. Maybe I can take off one micro, you know, that doesn't hurt at all. All right, taking off one micro here. Okay, only with one micro, that's basically zero risk. Just to see what it does. And gold is going against me. Oh my gosh. I can't. This morning, I just don't feel it, guys. I really don't feel it. No, absolutely. Absolutely not. I don't feel confident. I don't know. I'm absolutely not confident. Everything tells me that this is going to be going higher. I keep hearing voices again, and voices are keep telling me this is ready to push it through that 5 minute gap. So this trade is absolutely bad. I'm gonna stay in this trade. So I'm gonna take the full stop at 370 if I have to, because I'm just actually at this point, guys, it's not about the profit or the loss for me. I just want to know what the hell is gonna go with NQ at this point. So I'm gonna stay in the trade, and I'm gonna take the full stop at 370. I don't care. At least I will know. Yeah, listen to the voices. I'm gonna take the full stop. It's okay. I actually want to take the full stop. I want to, just like with gold. But yeah, I'm not messing around anymore with NQ. If it's gonna go up, let it go up. I don't care. I believe in myself too, and that is why I like to have the full stop, please, and then I will know my answer. So please, Nasdaq, deliver the full stop or dump this price, but I think it's going to break the previous high again. So yeah, too much buying here. It's just not ready to dump. There's such a good level down there at 264, by the way. It really looks amazing, but this is why they're gonna squeeze it all the way up. Yeah, it's gonna take it. Last line of defense is somewhere around the mid-level, like 58 to up there 360 to turn it around, and that's it. I can't hold it any longer than that or anymore. Look at this. Yeah, should be breaking that 55 now. I wanted to go short because I had actually two entries. One here on the 3 and the 4, and here as well on the 1 minute chart, to go down for Asia low and relative equal lows down there. And there's a 5 minute demand zone even lower. So some really juicy levels. It can still happen though. If it swipes some levels here, it can turn around. But like, you know, gold trade is very bad as well. Still, on the same thing on gold, there is some really good looking demand zone down there, but as you can see, the risk is very small. Like I think I'm gonna lose like $60 on this one or something like that with commission, or 65, which is completely okay. But yeah, maybe Muba. Yeah, 10 points up there and I'm out. Maybe it wants to go to that new day opening gap, who knows. Maybe it wants to do it. So the 5 minute gap has been completely repriced, and we'll see how it wants to go. If you zoom out, you will see the level of MNQ. I can zoom out. Yeah. Now lower than the beginning of the... Oh, yeah, I checked that out, by the way. Yesterday I was looking for the New Year price. You wanted to buy call options to open. Yeah. I don't know what's going on. The gold trade is still somewhat okay. But I think NQ wants to go higher. We are having 167 viewers. Thank you so much. 55 likes. Can we get to 80 likes, everybody? Just 80. Easy to do. Let's get to 80 likes. Let's do it. I know we can do it. 80 likes. Let's go with 80. Thank you so much, by the way, for smashing the like button. 62 already. All right. 18 more to go. 18 more likes. Still kind of praying for my gold trade. If I can win the gold trade, actually, that would bring back the loss and then a little bit more. Go, go. Oh, this NQ is done. It's done. It's just gonna go higher. Whoa! Oh my gosh. We are having Attila the Hun as a member. Thank you for joining us in the Winners Club. Thank you. Attila, köszönöm szépen a támogatást. Thank you for the support. For joining the Winners Club. Welcome, welcome. All right. Oil looks like a possible short. Let's see. I haven't checked on crude. I'm the one who's thanking you, Attila. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining and thank you for the support. Yeah, I don't know. I haven't really looked on crude lately. Bit of a mess, I guess. Oh, let's go. Gold is in profit. Let's go, gold. Yeah, haven't checked crude that much. So January 5th is 393. And if Nvidia is going to get up there, aren't we looking for a new all-time high? If not today, but this week? I don't know, Jimmy. I haven't really thought about that kind of scenario. Could be. Can you look at DEX? I mean, I can check. I don't have DEX subscription. I think I have German 40 here, which is CFD, but almost the same, right? Oh, look at that. On the CFD, I guess it's almost the same. I'm technically the same on the futures as well. There's a very, very nice 15-minute supply zone. Look at that. Looks cool, right? Stop hunt both ways. Could be. Let's go, gold. Please, gold, just drop it. Drop it, gold. Come on. Yeah, so this is where I think, you know, this could go. The German index. Swept some lows. Looks good. You know, why not just go up there and take that supply zone? Really looks good. I do like it. That's what I would be focusing on, maybe. But that's a big if. Forex Mitch, hello there. Good morning, Farhad. Hey, good to see you. What's going on, Farhad? So some of you guys are tuning in. I do have a gold short here. We are at 70 likes, by the way. 166 viewers. Thank you so much. 10 more likes to go to 80. I know we can do 10 more likes. 10 more likes to get to 80. We can do it. I'm going to lower my stop. We can do it. I know we can. Let's get to 80. 78 already. Come on, 2 more. There's 2 more likes and we're getting to 80. Let's get it. Target for NQ is way lower. I'm targeting the 5 minute. Sorry. I don't even know what I'm targeting. Hold on. I think I'm targeting somewhere around the 170 area. Let me look at it. But I'm just waiting for gold to hit the TP. Just a second here. I will check. But it's somewhere around 170-ish. Come on, gold. Just go a little bit lower. Anyway. Target is 266 with 260. What? Oh, sorry, not that. Yeah, I'm targeting the Asia low. Asia low. Sorry, Asia low 266. That's what I'm targeting. Yeah. Oh, we hit the gold. We hit the gold trade. We hit the gold trade. So now that I hit the gold trade, I don't care what happens to this because it's being covered by gold. So if I lose this, I'm going to be still somewhere above break even. So technically, we're good. Oh, yes, we're good. We're good. Whoa. We have Crab 004 just subscribed to the channel. Thank you so much for joining. Welcome to the channel. Yeah. But I still think that NQ is so I think that the sellers are not strong enough for this. I think it's still pretty much a bullish trend going on NQ. So I know. I'm always, I mean, you got to enjoy the small wins as well. But yeah, if I need to cry, I will cry later a little bit. Guys, yesterday, I was looking at a car. You guys want to see what car I was looking at? Whoa, Only Trader, thank you so much for joining. Thank you, thank you. So I was looking at a car. If you guys like to see it, but I was only looking. But you know. Oh my gosh, do you see this? Do you see what I see? What is this? Is that a BMW or not? Let's just hear what a car is this. Oh my gosh. It was beautiful. Hát egy röpke másodpercre csak beindítom még csak. All right, listen to this. Listen. Yeah, indoor exhaust. Yeah. It's an 850. Yeah. No, it's not. I can't afford this car. Just saying, I cannot. I just a friend of mine works at BMW at a dealership, and he told me like, dude, you got to try this out. It's out of my reach. It's not affiliate code or anything. I just had to try it out because, as you guys all know, this is my dream car. I really want to try it, and I really hope that one day I can have it. But it's really good. It's really good. I know. But it's definitely, guys, I don't need the M8. So just to clarify it, the M8 is great. It's an absolutely great car. The M8, yeah. I don't need that much horsepower, guys. I don't need it. The M850 has 530 horsepower. What the heck do you need from 530 horsepower? I don't want to compete with anyone. I don't want to burn the rubber at the shopping mall parking lot. I don't want to do any stupid driving stuff. I just want to cruise. I want to cruise comfortably with the sports car. I don't need the M8. I'm perfectly okay with the 850. I don't need more. I don't want to tune it. I don't want to get like some tune exhaust or some fancy, fancy wings or whatever. For example, you guys all know Matt Armstrong. He's a cool guy. I like his videos. But the thing I don't like is that he puts all the, spoilers and all the wings and all the attachments on the car. I think that looks stupid. I'm sorry to offend anyone, but if you put like all the attachments on a car, like wings and spoilers and body wide kit or wide body kit, and the biggest possible wheels and everything, I think you're just ruining the car. That's what I think. I like the clean, things. It has to be clean, no messed up stuff, because that's just stupid. And obviously, Fast and Furious got out of, so it's not that popular. It was popular 20 years ago or something, but Fast and Furious cars are not that popular nowadays. So I get it, because everybody loves Fast and Furious and family, Dominic Toretto, family, let's put the maximum exhaust there and let's tune it to 2000 horsepowers. I don't care. I just need to leave it factory, OEM. Perfectly okay. Perfectly fine, It's factory exhaust, Flourish Rosper. I asked it. It's in a BMW dealership. It's factory OEM exhaust. The sound, because you heard that, because it was a cold engine. When it's cold, it actually gives a much bigger sound, and it was indoors, so that's why it was super loud. But it's factory exhaust. No stickers, no ads, no nothing. Just clean OEM stuff. Nothing. M8 is absolutely a great car. As I said, I would be super happy if I could drive an M8, but it's just too much for me. I mean, the horsepower. I don't need that much horsepower. That's just too much. Hey, Randall. Yeah, they need the attention. And by the way, I do have another video. That was cold start. Yeah, that was cold start. Lost my first Apex vid because I finished one day before month, but require the next month. Wait, what? Oh my, Forex Mitch. I'm sorry to hear that, man. Oh, I hope it drops. I really hope. You need to make it really loud. I don't want it really loud. I have another video if you like to see the how it looks on the outside. So this is it. Yeah. But yeah, the thing is, I don't really like black cars because black cars are, you know, you have to wash it every single day. It's a beautiful color. It looks amazing, but you have to wash the black car every single day. Every small dust is going to stick on the black car, you know, everything. Everything. But I mean, it looks cool, I think. Anyway. Yeah, it really looks good. But the black car needs to be washed every single day. When it's washed, it looks amazing, don't get me wrong. When it's really clean and shiny, then a black car, especially a sports car, any make, any brand, can look really, really good. But the first small dust, everything just, you know, sticks on the surface there and looks very bad. Yeah, London Open here. Let's see what's happening. There you go. Attila can confirm. So I'm not saying I wouldn't take a black car. I would take a black car, but the black color is cool and very fancy. But like, I really have to book a daily ticket to the car wash. One more Eval slot for February. Lucid or TPT or I would go for maybe Lucid. I would maybe go for Lucid because it's 50% off of any evaluation account. By the way, if you haven't noticed, guys, every evaluation account is 50% off at Lucid until next Wednesday or Tuesday. I don't even know. 2 usage per person. Any evaluation is 50% off, which is good. Yeah, don't use the brush. Exactly. Now, I see people who are taking out that hand brush, you know, and they're swiping the side of their car with that brush. Now, just to let you know, somebody before you used that brush to clean the rims and the undercarriage of the car. So the you know, it's full of dust and dirt and everything, and you're sweeping that into your car. Anyway, I never used that. I never ever used that. Never. Lucid Shell. Okay, Sacromancer. Yeah, I mean, just saying, like, the 50% off is a really good deal right now with Lucid. All right, it seems like this NQ trade is not going to drop, unfortunately. We're gonna look for something else maybe, but I don't see any reason that NQ should be dropping now. It's all just accumulating, ready to push higher. So we might have to say goodbye to this trade. But yeah, as for gold, we still have the 5181.5. And just one more final note to the car issue here. I do love these cars, and of course, one day I would love to have a similar 850 like this, even if it's black. I don't care, it's fine. I love it. I love the car, but I'm very, very happy with my 2009 E60 5 Series. I love the car. It's an amazing experience. I bought it from payouts last year, from trading payouts, not from affiliate money. I bought it. I said, I'm going to buy this car strictly from trading payouts. So I put the money aside, and I, you know, it was only $6,500, but I bought it from payouts. And yeah, I spent a bit of a money on repairs, but I love the car. I love it. It's a cool car. It's 2009, but I love it. I really enjoy driving it. Okay, what is going on with NQ? This is gonna go higher or not. Yeah, NQ is unplugged. I'm like almost 100% sure that it's gonna go higher. Like, there's no question about it on my end that it's gonna pull higher. But I'm all right with this, because if I would jump into a buy, then it would drop down. So this is how it goes, Murphy's law. So I just want to take the full stop and move on. But if it goes higher, well, maybe it tries to go for that gap. I don't know if I want to chase that type of trade there. It's the waiting game. It's just the waiting game. Lucid electric cars are nice too. Is there a Lucid electric car? Now let me check it. I think I heard that somewhere. Lucid electric car. Oh yeah, I see it. Yeah, Lucid. Oh wow, look at how cool the Lucid electric cars. Wow. It looks kind of cool, right? Wow. Wow. I mean, it looks cool, I think. You know, I would drive it. Yeah, but I keep shorting at 358, but keep room for small profits because buying is. Yeah, I don't know what the heck is going on with NQ, but the problem is that we're still sideways here, even on the 1 minute. I think it's ready to push higher any moment. Yeah, right, Randall. I think it looks cool. It's kind of a cool car. Oh my, are we gonna see some action here? Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. We are at 88 likes. Can we get to 100? 12 more. 12 more likes if you guys can push it. Let's get above 100 and let's hope that there will be some price action. Let's go. Let's go. 94. Let's go. 6 more to go. 6 more. 6 likes. That's all we need. Just 6. I know we can do it. 5 more. Two more. Let's go. Just 2. 101. Thank you so much. We made it. Thank you for all the likes. 105 already. Let's go. Thank you, everybody. Yeah. So, what a day. What a day. Yeah, here's the push. Limit order to buy at 300. Oh, wow, that would be good for me. But yeah. Here is the push, everyone. Yeah, it seems like it wants to get to up to the 70s. Yeah, I think it wants to. I think it wants to. But that's not a problem. Because we came prepared. We'll have another potential trade around the corner. Have you started copy trading funded accounts? Yeah. I copy, but when I copy trade like 2 fundeds at a time. So whenever I go above like 3, 4, 5 or something like that, I get to be a little bit nervous, to be honest. Liquidated. I would chase the price, let it come. Yeah, exactly. Let it come to you. Yeah, in this scenario, I'm just curious if this one wants to go or not. It's very close to my stop. Would be interesting to see if it takes it or not, but I think it will. One spike to the 70s and we're cooked. Trade Delicious, hello. Cover to break even, can break down, even though there's a nice. Well, yeah, it's just, you know, I just don't get it anymore. I don't know what the heck is this thing doing. Gold is, by the way, look at gold. Gold is, you know, gold pushed back higher. So I think the TP right here was in a good spot. Yeah, this trade is done. There you go. Why is it not closing it? Should be closing it though. Awesome. I love when it's not closing the trade. I have to do it manually. Sometimes the OCO order is not really working properly, by the way. Just saying. It sometimes happens. Anyway, I'm still up 24 bucks on that account. And yeah. The why short? So the answer to that is I had 2 entries on the lower time frames here. One entry was here on the 1 minute, and there was another entry here on the 3 minute and the 4 minute. So I had 2 entries to go short, one here and one here, and the target was Asia low with relative equal lows down there. So this would have been the target right there, but it just didn't go. So it seems like it's just wanting to go higher. I was actually, first I closed it with a $20-something loss. Then I waited for it to take the fair value gap here on the 5 minute. I mean, I gave enough space for the trade or to the trade. It didn't do it. So unfortunately, it is what it is. Oops. Need to switch back. Maybe during your, who knows? Maybe. I mean, I still can have the same idea. I'm okay with that. But I don't know. I need to, if I go one more time with the same type of trade, the closest level that I could go with is 343 if it breaks. So, you know, looking for sells below this level, and that's it. Until then, we're just gonna watch paint dry. You just done 2 TP small, but hey, that's good. Congrats. Let's go. I like that. I like that a lot. I love it. And it's still pushing higher. Wow, look at this. So are we going to go for a new day opening gap low or not? Hold on, hold on. Hold on, it said something, but oh my gosh, look at this. Let's just keep scrolling higher. Okay. Okay. Just a second. All right. Did it. It will flush? I think so too. It should be. I love to see it flush down there. Yeah. Would be great to see that. I might even jump in. Why not? I might gonna scalp this one. I need to give a bit of more space to this. Yeah, one here. And one entry at 370. Let's give a sell limit there. 170. Okay, that's good. 2 micro is good. And one more entry up there at 74. Okay. So this is what it's going to be. I'm just hoping for a flush here. No problem. You guys are absolutely welcome to fade me. You got the flush, 36 points. Let's go. All right, that's it. 3 micros. And we're in. Buy stop up there. And looking for that level down at, sorry, just a second. NQ is dropping. Sorry, gold is dropping. Gold is dropping. So that's interesting. Goran, hello. I'm sorry, I forgot to say hello. If I forgot to say hello to anyone, then good morning. Welcome. Kaboosh traders. Hey. All right, see you in a few hours. Thank you for joining. I think he already gone. Good morning, everyone. Oh, got in a buy. Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah, so I'm fine with the entry. The target is what concerns me a little bit more. The entries so far, you know, What the Forex Burux? What? Sorry, Burkus. Sorry. What the Forex? What's up? Welcome. How's it going, man? I don't have a target on this trade. I had one bad day in blue. Oh no, Angel. Oh man. The tilt. I'm sorry to hear that, man. I know that sucks. But you gotta start, you know, you gotta go again. You gotta go again. It just, you know. Gotta move on. And you gotta go again. Oh my gosh, look at this NQ. It might go up. Oh no. It's not looking good. What is gold doing, by the way? Look at how close it is to 182 down there. Yeah, definitely. I'm sorry to hear that again, Angel. I never tried TRADEIFY, but I will give it a go. I will check it out. Now, this is a short position. This is a short. I don't have a TP on it yet. Yeah, 2 days ago. Yeah, I know that definitely sucks. Just kind of wondering if it's gonna flush lower, but how far can it actually go? And that's what I'm trying to understand here. Like how far? I might get chopped. Yeah, let's see, Randall. The weave up. It's gonna get the weave up. That's actually good for me. I like that. We can get the weave up. That's good. What I can try is take off a little bit at 344. How about that? All right. So 344.75. Actually 345. And then one, I can use this area, 331. All right. I'm good with this. I'm okay with this. This would be okay. If it goes higher, then whatever. You know, this is, you know, this is it. We're just having a day like that, and that's it. Yeah, I'm just gonna take a partial on this, you know. I'm just gonna take a partial, and I'm gonna let the rest go if it wants to go down to that weave up or whatever. It's fine. It's all right, you know. But it would be really great. Actually, I'm gonna move this just a little bit because of the slippage, just one tick to 45.25. If we tag that level. Yeah, maybe. But you know, if it goes back up to the 380s, then obviously it's not my trade. So I could just leave my stop up there at the 390, but I feel like if we go back to the 380s, then it's done anyways because it just wants to go back higher. So this whole situation could be just a trap for sellers. Yeah, maybe that's what it was. Oh, look at this dirty move here. Well, the short was good. But it doesn't look good now. There's a small gap here. Could be helping a little bit. I don't know if it will. On the 1 minute. So let's see. Break even. Maybe that's what I should do. Yeah, you know what, guys? Let's put it to break even. I'm going to tell you why. I don't like this trade. I really don't. It's just not my kind of trade. So I'm going to put it to break even. There. It's all break even. It's a break even. Do I want to put it to break even? I don't. I don't want to. You know why? Because there's a small imbalanced price range on the 1 minute here. So I'm okay if this one wants to put some up close candles here. Maybe it puts some 1 minute candles in this area and then goes lower. So I want to give that chance. I mean, this is a small risk, guys. I'm risking like 50 bucks on this. So at least I'm going to give that chance to this one. Like if it wants to up close this 69 or 70 area, let it do it. And we'll see what happens after that. Yeah, price is definitely not in a hurry for now. I'm gonna listen, but you're not old, Randall. You're not old. But I will listen to guys. I have so many things. Randall, I still am thinking to hit you up for a meeting there and talk about some of your entries and levels and strategies, because I need some extra information, and I feel like you have lots of information. What the heck is it gonna be, NQ? Come on. Now I feel like if it goes back up there again, then it's just, you know. Yeah, it's not the best price action for London. I mean, I guess it's not as bad as it was yesterday. I wasn't here, but I checked the chart later. I mean, I think yesterday was even worse than this, right? No, don't worry, Randall. I'm not. I don't even like that word guru. If there's anything out there, they are not gurus, but furus, you know. I don't like that word either. Next impulse up, I'm shorting again. All right, Randall, I like it. 18 to 20 points. That would be just enough for me to drop down to the first TP down there. That would be just enough. Let's go. We have 179 viewers and we can still smash some likes. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you. Thank you. Need a flush or need a flush? Come on, NQ. Let's just flush it down a little bit lower, and it would be great for everyone. Just a little bit lower, please. Oh, come on, NQ. Come on, just 10 points. 10 points is easy. Easy peasy. Oh, you're long, Chris? Oh, I'm sorry. Well, I think it can still... I mean, I don't know. I don't know what to say. Obviously, sooner or later, it can pop higher for that gap up there, you know. After I cut my trade, it will flush. That's always the case here. They take out the stop, but or nibble either. Time points to 20. Who cares? Yeah. Well, look at this. It didn't go through that low, and this bullish pin bar, I don't like it. Kind of feels like a reversal to the upside again. Come on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's not there. It's not there at the TP yet. Come on. And now we are going to move the stop for the rest of the trade, and I'm going to secure this level, that's 67. So now it's a free trade. If it bounces up, I don't care. We swept that swing low. Trail it down. Yeah, I want to leave some room to it, so that's 20 points of room there to drop. So you know, whatever happens, it's okay from now on. It's completely all right. But how far can we go? Actually, this one can still bounce here and go up there. It can clearly bounce. It's already bouncing a little bit here after the sweep. So I don't know. I'm still not. I'm not sold on the idea yet. I'm gonna move my final TP to 32, and that's it. Just because of this inversion gap right there. Yeah, look at this. I tell you, if it drops a little bit more here on the 15 second, I might going to trail it lower to 61 or 62. I just need one more drop below that 42-ish area, and then we'll see. Could bounce 15 points, but then down again. Arnas Jankauskas, hello. Thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the channel. Sorry, let's see what's happening on gold. Nothing. Okay, almost went down to that 3-minute zone. Let me check. Actually, gold is ready to go lower. I mean, look at that. We have this 5-minute gap here. This is a 5-minute CB, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, or fair value gap, whatever. Sorry. We have another subscriber whose name is Devati. Thank you so much for joining the channel. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for subscribing. So I'd love to see gold drop again here. I might even hold on. Okay, I'm gonna put an alert for gold on my other screen, just in case if gold will drop. So I will be watching for a drop as a continuation on gold. That's it. That's Corb. I cut my trade earlier. Oh, waiting for another sell opportunity. Yeah, on gold, as we look at that. Look at that. So gold went back into that gap here. Could be a sell opportunity here on gold. down to the zone at 51.81. Even lower. So yeah. Bam, 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 bam. NQ still haven't decided it yet. NQ have not decided what to do. Randall is going to short on the next pop. Okay. I'm not moving the stop loss on this. The yellow line. You mean here? This is the weave up on gold. Sorry. Let's go back here. So this is the weave up and this is midnight level. And this down here is the demand zone level. And the weave up is here on NQ. Gonna pop around 15-20 point and then let's see. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna keep my stop here, that's for sure. So I'm okay. Let's drop it. Pre-market open is in less than 5 minutes. I'm actually interested in a gold short. I'm gonna get the alert real soon. Okay, this was the alert. Yeah, that was gold. I have a short signal on gold on the indicator. Okay, so short on gold. This is only based on the signal. So I am short on gold. Only with one single micro. That is it. This trade is not looking good. Yeah, gold is messing around with me. It's not gonna go down. Look at NQ. Wow. And we still have A little bit more than 3 minutes to go. 3 minutes. 67. I would go with 80.5 on gold. 80.5, 80.5. Yeah, gold is gonna go to the stop loss. This was the signal here to go short. This is for testing purposes, by the way, but I thought it's gonna go lower. Because this was such a nice repricing action here. But NQ is looking good. Bottom tick the stop loss. Oh. Let's see. Let's see. Look at this NQ. Wow. Less than 2 minutes to go. I'm very curious, by the way, for the stocks. Literally 2 ticks. Oh. I am very, very curious about the stocks here. The gold is going to hit the stop real soon. It's like $50 of risk. Not a big deal on it. I'm still kind of hoping for NQ to drop. $30 seconds to go. What's gonna happen? I'm wondering. Randall is short on NQ. $15 seconds to go, everybody. 10, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And here we go. The moment of truth. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? How is Nvidia looking? Oh, Nvidia spiked higher a bit. Tesla, nothing. Meta also. Okay, so bullish for yeah. Bullish on Nvidia and Meta as well. NQ also trying to push a little bit higher. Past 150 Lucid account ID. Congratulations. The 150K. Good job. Okay. NQ trying to push. What is Nvidia doing? Nvidia still up there. Meta still pushing. Okay. NQ can actually go higher. Gold? I don't know what the heck happened with gold. Gold is still in the same spot. I think it's going to hit my stop. This one is secured. So if anyone is tuning in now to the stream, this one has been taking partials off, and this one is secured with some extra profits, so no problem. But I have this crazy gold trade, which I'm about to get stopped down from, but overall ending up in the green, I think, hopefully. Okay, everyone. Unfortunately, I need to go to the gym. I know. I need to go to the gym. And unfortunately, my trade doesn't look that good right now. I mean, maybe it looks, I don't know. I'm going to leave this NQ trade on. Stop at 67.50. TP 32 down there. We'll see if it gets hit or not. Gold, it's like, you know, 99.2 is my stop. Looking for 80.6. I'm not going to do anything with these. I'm just going to let them play out. So thank you so much. I'm hitting the gym, and I'll be back for early New York session to trade a little bit more. Can you share how many contracts you trade on 50K account and what is? Yeah, so I trade anywhere between 1 to 10 micros. That's basically it in a nutshell. But it depends on the stop loss, on the exact trade. You know, it depends on many other factors, but anywhere between 1 to 10. Max stop loss usually like $200, $250 per trade. Sometimes lower, but in London, because everything is like super slow, I tend to go with the lower stop. Thank you everybody for watching. If you would like to support the channel, please use the code TOMSABO up there. You see it in the banner. It goes for all these platforms. Buy one, get one for free. Promo is still on. Use it at MyFundedFutures, Lucid, TRADEIFY. We need some TRADEIFY sales, by the way, to get some extra codes. Tomorrow is Take Profit Trader giveaway time, so stay tuned. Everybody, you are amazing. 7 days streak ended. Next time, Dominic, you know. Thank you, everybody. God bless you all. Thank you for the support. I'll be seeing you later. Cheers, everybody. Cheers. We'll talk about it later, Dominic. Bye, everybody. God bless.